Hello friends at home. In this video I will be doing today's math lesson with you. We are just getting ready in the classroom to do math. We are opening up our math books to page 273. And just as kind of a little refresher reminder of what we've been working on in math, we've been talking about place value. We've been talking about tens and ones and even up to the hundreds place. And yesterday we started looking at two-digit numbers and deciding how can we tell which is the bigger number. So I don't want to just remind you. I want you all to show me what you remember. So if I have two numbers, let's say that I've got the numbers, I'm going to ask Blake to please stop doing that because that's distracting, okay? Blake, let's say that I have the numbers 43 and 72. And I want to know which number is bigger. What's the first thing I should look at in these numbers to decide which one's bigger? The tens place. Excellent. So Blake, if I look at my tens here, I have a 4 and a 7. So that means 4 tens, which is 10, 20, 30, 40. And 7 tens, which is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So right away, Blake, I can tell which number is the bigger number. Yeah, 72. Now, what if I were to have numbers such as 53 and 58? I start by looking at my what, Blake? Tens. So I have 5 tens and 5 tens, so that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Well, I could say they're equal, right? Because they're both 50, right? Are these two equal numbers? Are they the same number? No. What must I do if my tens are the same? Go to the ones. So now I have 3 and 8. Which one's the bigger number, Blake? 58. Your brain is hot today. Thank you. And then we also talked about numbers. Say numbers such as if I had, give me a second here. Let's say I had 25 and 25. And I looked at my tens first, and they were both 10, 20. So I looked at my ones. They're both 5. So now I can say these numbers are equal. So yesterday we were comparing just two numbers and putting them in order. We weren't putting them in order. That's what we're doing today. We were comparing two numbers, and we would put Allie the alligator would always eat the bigger number, right? And if they were the same, we'd put an equal sign. So today we're going to start looking at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers, more than just two numbers, and how we can put them in order, either from the smallest number to the biggest number, or from the biggest number down to the smallest, okay? So Miss Emma, on page 273 at the top, it says, Abby picks 3 number cards from a pile. So these are the 3 number cards that she picked. Do you see those? I've got 60, 52, and 57. She wants to put these number cards in order. Okay, so she wants to start with the smallest number and then get bigger. So what is the correct order? It says you can use a number line to help put your numbers in order. All of these numbers are between 50 and 60. So this number line goes from 50 to 60. And if we look at the number line, we can see that 52 comes first. So that would be the first card. 57 comes second. So that would be the second card. And 60 comes third. So that would be the third card. So to put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest, we would go 52, 57, 60. So now we're going to look at putting numbers in order, and we'll start by looking at this first number line. This number line begins at 90, which is 9 tens and 0 ones. So you can go ahead and trace the 90. Then we have 91, 92. What would come next, Victoria?
93.
93. And would you please mask up, sweetheart? Thank you. Then I have 94. What would come next, Isaac? Yeah, 95. Then we'd have 96, 97. Give me the last three numbers, Drew.
98, 99, 100.
Good job. So our numbers in order from 90 to 100. Notice these are all 9 tens. 9 tens, 0 ones. 9 1, 9 2, 9 3, 9 4, 9 5, 9 6, 9 7, 9 8, 9 9. Then we have to switch to 10 tens because we can't put 10 in the ones column. Okay? All right. Let's take a look down at number 2. Number 2 starts with the number 45, Connor. And then it goes to 46. Would you read me the missing numbers?
45.
I've got 45. I've got 46. What would come next?
5.
Connor, I have 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then what would come next? 50, and then they have 51, 52, 54, and 55. Beautiful. Right now, on your own, take a minute and fill in the missing numbers on this number line, and in just a minute, we'll check it. Friends at home, if you want to pause, fill in your numbers, and then unpause, we'll check it in just a minute, okay? All right, Johnny, would you please read us the missing numbers? 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19.
20.
Good job. Go ahead and turn the page now, friends. It says write numbers in order. Complete the number line to help. So they've done this first one for us, except they forgot to complete the number line. So let's complete the number line. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and they put in 100. So now these are the numbers, 98, 97, and 96. To put them in order, 96 comes first. So trace 96. 97 comes second. So trace 97. And then 98 comes third. So you can trace 98. This next one we're going to do together. Let's complete the number line from 10 to 15. So after 10, what number would come next, Noah? What comes after 10? 11. And after 11 comes 12. And after 12 comes 13, then 14, and they put in 15. So we've got our number line filled in. Now, Emma, looking at our numbers here, 10, 15, and 11, which one comes first on this number line? 10. So let's put our 10 in the first spot. We got 10. Now I've got 11 and 15. Which one comes next, 11 or 15? 11. So let's put 11 for our second number. And that leaves our third number is 15, right? 15. See it right here? 15. All right. Let's do this problem solving. It says Dana, Joy, and Nia each have cards with 2-digit numbers on them. Dana's card has 4 10s and 6 1s. So Dana's card put in 4 10s, 6 1s. What number is that? Lily? 46. It says Joy's card has 3 more 1s than Dana's. Okay, so here's Joy. She has the same amount of 10s, but 3 more 1s. So what would it be, Mateo? 49. Excellent. And then it says Nia's card has 10 less than Joy. So she has the same amount of 1s, but I have to take away a 10. So what would hers be, Chase? 10 less than 49. Take away a 10 would be?
59.
No, I'm taking one away. I'm not adding one. So I had 4, but I took one away, so now I have, 39. Good job. So now it says put the cards in order. So which one is the smallest, friends? Camila, which one's the smallest? 39. So that goes on the first line. Now I'm looking at 46 and 49. Which one would come next? Ava June? 46. Good job. You guys are so smart. And that means our last one would be 49. Okay? It says, how do you count on to order numbers? Well, if I was trying to order these big numbers, I'm not going to start at 1, right? I'm not going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No, I'm going to start 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. So counting on means you start at a big number and keep going, okay? All right, let's look at the top of 275. 275. It says use this number line to help you put numbers in order, and that's just kind of a review. So now let's put the missing numbers in this one, and let's do it like we did before. Friends at home, pause the video. Friends in the classroom, take a minute to fill them in, and then in just a minute we'll go over them together. Go ahead and do it now. All right, friends at home, very quickly, if you want to compare your numbers to ours, we have 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Thumbs up if that's what you had. Excellent. If it's not what you had, please quickly fix it now. Wow, I just knocked that camera off the stand. And down here, we're doing the same thing that we did on the other side. We're first going to fill in the number line, then we'll put the numbers in order. So, Victoria, what would come after 13 if I was counting on? What comes after 13? 14. And then what? 15. And then? 16. And then? 17. And then? 18. And then? 19. And they have 20. So now I've got my number line here, Victoria. Which of these numbers, 13, 20, or 18, which one comes first? Look at your number line. Look at your number line. Which one comes first? 13, 20, 13. So that's our first number, 13. Now, Victoria, which one comes next, 20 or 18? 18. And then our biggest one would be 20. Good job. All right, Victoria. I'm sorry. Emma. We're going to finish filling in this number line. So if I was counting from 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then I say 52, 53, 54, 55, what would come next?
56.
And then?
57.
And then?
58.
And then?
59.
And then?
20.
59. 60, right? And then 61.
62. 63. 64.
And they wrote 65 for us. So now, Emma, I've got my number line. I have 65, 59, and 55. So let's circle. 65 is here. 59 is here. And 55 is here. Which one comes first on my number line? Which one is first on the number line? 55. So we'll put 55 first. And then, Emma, which one comes next on my number line? 59, right? So we'll put 59. And then which one comes last on my number line? 65. Okay, we're putting these numbers in order. All right, go ahead and turn the page. We have a couple more like that to do. Right now on your own, I want you to do 1 and 2, and then we'll go over it so you can check your work. So friends at home, you can pause the video, do 1 and 2, and then unpause, and we'll go over the answers. And friends in the classroom, you go ahead and get working, and we'll go over it together in just a few. All right, friends, going over numbers 1 and 2. I have on my number line 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. If it helps you to circle these three numbers, I encourage you to do that. So circle the 45, the 47, and the 42. That helps you see which one comes first is 42, then 45, then 47. If you had that correct, give it a star or a little smiley face. If you had it wrong, fix it right now. Looking down at number 2, the number line goes 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If it helps you to circle these three numbers, I encourage it. So we have 25, 19, and 22. So now putting those in order, 19 is the first one, 22 is the second one, and 25 is the third. If you had that correct, give it a star or a smiley face. If you had it wrong, please fix it now. Let's take a look now at the problem solving. It says Ruby and Liza ordered 3 numbers. Draw the number line to show who's correct. So Ruby said the numbers go 50, 49, 55, and Liza said they go 49, 50, 55. So let's make a number line. We'll start at 45 and we'll go to 55, okay? So here's 45. 55, oh, just kidding. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. So I've got my number line now. And the numbers that they have are 50, 49, and 55. So 50, 49, and 55. So the correct order would be 49 would be first, then 50, then 55. Who said 49, 50, 55? Noah? Liza, right? So Liza ordered the numbers correctly. L-I-Z-A. Okay? Now looking at this one down here, it says, what 2 10 numbers would you use on a number line to order 26, 21, and 29? Well, we would take it from 20 to 30, right? Because all of these numbers are between 20 and 30. Okay? All right, friends, you did a great job with this. I'm impressed with the work that you did on your own, and we will continue to work on place value and ordering numbers for the rest of this week. See you later, friends at home.